Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to create a local account in Windows 11 without Microsoft account. I show you guys how to do that. First go to search menu and type user. Comes up add, edit or remove other users on this device. Click on it. So you want to create and use a user account without email address, and you want to create a new user account with administrative rights. I'll show you guys. You just need to click on this add account under the other users. Click on add account. You just need to select I don't have this person's sign in information. Click on it. In here you just need to select add a user without a Microsoft account. Click on it, and in here you just need to type your username for the new account. I'm gonna type my name, and after typing it, enter the password to secure it. I don't want to create with the password, that's why I'm skipping it. Click on next, and now a new account will be created guys. So I can see the account has been created. You just need to click on it and click on change account type. Change to standard user to click on the drop down and select administrator and select OK. Now this account has been created with administrative rights guys, and that's all you have to do it guys. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.